Hi, in today's video we're going to be going over a software made by Wondershare called Recover It. It's a data recovery software application that you can install on any Windows or Mac computer, and you can recover data from a thumb drive, external hard drive, SD card, really any kind of media like that. And let's say you deleted a photo or a Word document, PDF, you can simply install this software, plug in that thumb drive, and recover that document. It's that easy. So to get the software, you just need to go to recoverit.wondershare.com. Then you are geared towards this try it free. So now the free license will let you recover any file up to 100 megabytes. That could be a picture, that could be a document, a video file. As long as it's under 100 megabytes, you can recover it for free, that's pretty awesome. If it's over 100 megabytes, then you have to buy a license, which is roughly between $30 and $60, depending on what plan you want. But it's pretty reasonable, and it's good for a year then, and then you can recover unlimited amount of file sizes. So that's great. So let's go ahead and dive right in, and let me show you a little bit about the software. So once you install Wondershare Recover It software, and then you launch it for the first time, you will get this screen here where you can see all the hard drives attached to your machine. You can also see your external drives, which is this G drive we're going to be working with. And you can see I have this G drive open up here in Windows Explorer. We're going to go ahead and delete this. Let's go ahead and open up this video file first. You can see this is a standard video file. We're going to go ahead and delete. Oh no, I accidentally deleted that file. I didn't want to do that. And let's say we emptied the recycling bin, so now I can't recover it from there. How are we going to get this back? So that's when Wondershare Recover It software comes into play. So we're going to go ahead and go to the hard drive and locations, which is where we're at. We're going to select on our drive and scan, but I just want to show you there are other options here. So if you have a corrupted video, they have a whole section that can try to repair that corrupted video file. Advanced video recovery is it tries to find the corrupted video and tries to kind of pull different video files together to make it whole again. There's a lot of different features for the video section for sure. But like I said, we're testing this right now. So let's click on external drive. We hit scan. Now this is going to be scanning everything that's been on that drive. So let's say you had like your grandmother's photos from 5 years ago. Well, you might be able to pull that up. It just depends on how big of a hard drive you have and how many times you've rewritten over files onto that device. So what I mean by that is, let's say you had a thumb drive that's 1 gig and you had 5 photos on there, you deleted them all, you're going to probably be able to recover those 5 photos as long as you haven't been rewriting files after files onto that thumb drive. Because what that does is once you delete that file, you're basically deleting the index of that file. And what Recover It does is it basically finds that file back on that thumb drive and it can restore that index of that file. So let's go ahead and go to file types. And I love this because let's say we're searching for photos, we can check mark photos, it'll pull up all the photos. But in this instance, we're looking for a video file. So let's say, hey, let's go ahead and check box that, but we can't do that until the scan is complete. I recommend you finishing the scan, but you can click on video and then go to MP4 because that's our video, and you can see there is our file we just deleted, right? It's got the date on there even. So once the scan gets done, we can then select that and recover that file we just deleted. Now you can hit pause on the scan and recover right now, but best practices, I just like the scan to fully complete. You can see it doesn't take that long. We're already at 55%, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video, wait for it it hits that 100% mark, and then I can see all the files that it can recover on this particular drive that I have plugged in. So it's pretty cool. I love the software so far. Okay, this scan is now complete. It found over 500 files that have been on this drive at one time. So a lot of those files could be just corrupted, broken files. A lot of them could be files that you can still recover. So let's go ahead and hit OK. We're going to select our video file that we want to recover. So we're going to hit recover. And now we can browse to where we want to recover it. But we're going to go ahead and select the G drive and recover it back to that same drive. But it is better to recover it to your desktop or to another drive. But in this instance, it's just a demo, so I'm not really care if it does write over that file. I'm not too worried about it. But in best practices, it is better to recover to your desktop or to another external drive, so you're not writing over the file you're trying to recover, if that makes any sense. So let's go ahead and hit recover. And it's just letting you know exactly what I just said. You should save it to another drive. But like I said, I'm not too worried, so I'm just going to hit save anyway. And boom, recovered. So we go into our video file, MP4, and there's our video file back. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I've seen this help many people, especially photographers. You know, they accidentally formatted their SD card. It can even recover files even if you format it. Now, if you did a huge format like a DoD wipe or something like that, then you're not going to probably recover that file. But if you just did a simple format, there's still a chance you can recover that file. So don't freak out yet and just try the Wondershare. Hopefully it will work for you. And another note on their website, which I love, they actually support Lolly. Now, if you don't know what Lolly is an awesome app that you can install in Google Chrome or another browser that you might use. And what Lolly is it's a cashback. You don't pay them or anything. You just sign up with them, create the plugin, and Wondershare actually supports it. So when you purchase a license, you can get 24 to 40% Bitcoin back. I mean, how cool is that? You're buying recover software for something that you might need, and then you can get up to 40% cash back in Bitcoins. And the last thing I want to show you guys is by going to their website, you can completely see all their formats that they support. You can go to storage, you can see all the different types of storage they support: SD cards, USB drives, external drives, internal drives. I mean, they support a lot of different storage devices. They have tons of different ways to restore. They do have that advanced video recovery like we talked about, taking broken files and trying to restore those files into the actual video file back. They even have a crash computer recovery section. I mean, there's just so much in this software that you have to even go to their website and see what else it all does. I mean, there's just so much here that I can't explain in everything in this video. But I definitely want you guys to try it out. You can see their pricing here. You can see what features you get with each package. Their new version 10 that just released is that new GUI, which I really love. It's very intuitive and very easy and fast to get to what you need to get restored. And they do have a FAQ at the very bottom. So hope you guys try this out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.